loves, I'm so happy. Ohayo kininayo, I just want to share my dream.
Thought I did something right.
Something right.
I didn't cheat on you. I didn't
I
do
cheat.
something bad.
I think I cheat on you.
And you're happy about it.
Oh, let me see your cell phone and I will show you whose I dream. I don't know why I dream him.
Him?
Yeah. I will show you his looks.
Wow, I have competition. Should I be jealous?
Look.
I should. I should be jealous, babe.
I don't know. Let me see how to Google it. Oh, this is his looks love song. Read it. What his name?
Ian or Ian.
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 Veneration.
Veneration.
This in the Philippines. I don't know why I dream him loves. It's just like I went to their house and he's a bachelor there and his sister is my friend and then we go out. We go out and then it feels like it's you. Yeah.
It's not me. That's not me.
Man, it's you.
It's not me.
Oh la la.
This is me.
I'm dreaming to the other guy.
Oh, yeah.
You know why I dream him? I conclude. Because when I hug you last night, and I pray, thank God you give me so handsome husband.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. And then why my dream is so handsome? The one.
Oh, because that's what you're wishing for.
It for me, you're the handsome.
No, evidently I'm not because you didn't see my face, babe.
Cause I look at you, so guapo,
Yeah,
love.
but evidently that guy right there is who you think is handsome. Looks like I'm back on the market.
On the market. Lots of commenters again. The followers going to say that, oh, don't worry, we are here. Where's your Google? I will Google it. Okay, Nana. He's so guapo in my dream. Wait,
And no need for me to see him again, babe. Come on.
Veneration.
Stop searching him.
Look, because of your barbas. You know what is barbas, loves? Because of, look at him. Oh.
No need.
You
know?
look.
Oh, you cheated on me.
You're so guapo, love. That's why.
No, don't try to correct it. No. And you keep searching him. Stop searching.
You get jealous na.
No. No. Just have to become revengeful now.
Yeah, bari-bariya po. I'm serious now.
Oh yeah. Okay. Then stop dreaming about other men.
I can't help it. That is you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in my
It's not
dream.
me.
Yes, it
No, it
is.
ain't. You were able to search it.
It's you.
This is me.
Yeah, I know,
That's not
but
me.
I know my dream. Why my dream? It
That's
feels.
not me.
It feels you. It feels you.
No. That person has hair.
What is you? Kalbo. Guapo, kalbo.
No. Still.
You're the same guapo lang.
No.
I love you.
No, you don't.
I love you, Laga. I'm so in love with you.